Now we are going to learn how you can add more users on your website. Suppose I have a friend and I want to give him access to my website, but I don't want to give him the user credentials of my my personal Gmail and my personal password. I will just make a new user ID and password for their dashboard, right? So what you have to do is you have to go on users and you have to click on add new. Now I want to give the username of my friend, so let's suppose my friend name is Ayush and the email address is ayush@gmail.com, right? And suppose the first name is also Ayush, and you can change the username to anything, right? It doesn't matter. And I don't want to give the last name and don't have to put anything on website. And here you can generate a new password, random password, or you can choose your own password. So suppose in my case I just gave the password as Ayush, right? 2 times Ayush, okay, and like 123, okay, and I just confirm to use the new password, and I will not send the user notification so that this Gmail I don't know what this Gmail user, okay. And the role I will give to my friend is as administrator, and let me just add it. And now what I will do is just go on incognito mode, type the domain name /wp-admin, and here I will write Ayush and type the password. Here you can see, and here is my friend's dashboard. It looks same and it will get everything accessible. Suppose let me change the Ayush role. Okay, so suppose I will change the role of Ayush from administrator to author. Okay, so I will just click on update and I will just go on here and I will just refresh it. Now here you can see the roles of author is only post, media, comments, stories, profile, tools. Suppose he don't need, I want to give because what is the difference between author and editor is editor can add new add new categories of the post, but author cannot add categories of post. It can only post on certain categories which is added by the editor or administrator, right? So let me show you. If I go on post and click on add new post, suppose, so here is the basic thing that administrator and author, difference between administrator and author, right? So here in the categories he can only check on the particular categories and cannot add a new category. But when I will just go here and again I will change the role of Ayush from author to editor, right? And then just click on update user. And now if I go here and click on refresh, and here you can see some more categories added, right? And now if I go on edit, so here you can check that he can now add new category, or he or she can now create new category for a particular post, right? So this is the difference between editor and author and admin. Hope you like this video, and let me just delete this user so that no one just come into my website and make the changes, right? Okay, I will just delete all content also, right? So this is how you can add new users to your website. Hope you like this video, and yeah, let's go on next topic.